How to open a bank account for Santander Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The process to open a bank account with Santander Bank is quite simple and straightforward. So let's get started. First and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser and type in Santander Bank. Tapping on it, you will see different options. Tap on the very first one, which is www.santanderbank.com. Tapping on it, you will land to its homepage. Now, you can choose for different types of accounts that you want to open, whether it is checking or saving account. You can just scroll down and find different options. Tap on the one that you want to open, and you can click on open an account if you directly want to fill in the form and get started. However, if you would like to know more about the account and the necessities and requirements, for this, the process would be to clicking on more details. Tapping on it will take you to another page from where you can know what are the essentials to open that specific account. Some of the specifications to see in this account would be having a social security number, a US residential address, not a PO box, and a funding account, which is routing and account number. So once this is done, there are two types of process. One is open account in person or fill in the form directly online. For this, you can just continue with the link provided and provide all of your informations including your personal details, address and employment details. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.